Hello, everyone. You're welcome to Franka's Kitchen. Happy New Year to you all. How are you all doing? Oh, thank you very much for stopping by today at my channel. Thank you for clicking on the play button. So today I want to share with you this sardine taco.
I got
Yeah.
Sandy.
This
So-
is I saw this recipe and I was like, okay, I've got something else to change it with. So I brought out my sardine. I was looking for something to do for my family. And then I thought of it, why don't you do it for yourself? Yeah, you can make something special for yourself also. So I did this for breakfast. So if you want to see how I got to this level of excitement for this meal, please continue watching. So just in the spirit of making sure I spoil myself, yeah, look at what we got. I brought out my mayonnaise and like I don't send you now. Just look at this gorgeous. So all intact, yeah. And let's do this. You too can eat this. My breakfast is ready. So you too can make this breakfast for yourself. It's not every time you do food for people. Make something special for yourself also. Thank you very much for stopping by at Franka's Kitchen today. I hope you try this. Like, you can literally throw anything you have. If it's fruits, just do something that it's just you, because there is nothing remaining right now. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you subscribe, like, and comment, and do some things, especially for your stomach. Have a great day. Bye. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm.